Hey, today I'm going to show you what I made for a week for my daughter when I went away. I'm going to cook some rice, chicken soup, lasagna, and cat food. That's for my cat. And lamb to make okra stew. Tuna pasta bake. So after 4 hours, I'm going to make the rice in an instant pot. I made okra stew and lasagna sauce. It's done now. And here is the chicken soup done. The tuna bake and lasagna, they're in the oven. Kisra or flatbread is already in bags and I put it in a freezer. That's every single thing I did, including cat food. The jelly and the fruit compote is in the fridge. I think I did well, don't you think? Bye bye, see you soon.